Dear little learners, how are you? Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. Welcome you all to Raujan Ajamunster Online School. Before starting the main text, I would like to introduce myself. I am Lutfur Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Raujan Ajamunster Institution, Raujan, Chattogram. In this pandemic situation, I hope you are staying in your home and you are with sound health. So, to help with your lessons, we organize this online platform for you. And today, we will take a class for the student of class 6, and our today's topic is Health is Wealth from lesson 9. Okay? So, before going through the main text, we would like to see the main words of this text. And this is why, do you know? I am damn sure that if you know the main words of these lessons, you can translate and understand the lessons. So let's see: health, shastro; wealth, সম্পদ; disease, রোগ; anxiety, উদ্বিগ্ন; proper, যথাযথ; function, ক্রিয়া বা কাজ করা; organ, অঙ্গ; অ্যাক্টিভ, কর্ম; cheerful, উৎফুল্ল; হাইজিন, স্বাস্থ্যবিধি; নিউট্রিশন, পুষ্টিবিধান; ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ, শারীরিক ব্যায়াম; ক্লিনলিনেস, পরিচ্ছন্নতা. And if you open page number 28, you can see some picture with some problems, with some physical problems which is related to the lessons. And we see the name of this disease. Now let's see: fever, জ্বর; backache, পিঠ ব্যথা; cough, কাশি; headache, মাথা ব্যথা; toothache, দাঁত ব্যথা; skin injury, চামড়ার আঘাত; stomachache, পেট ব্যথা; cold, ঠান্ডা বা সর্দি; burn, পুড়ে যাওয়া বা পুড়া. So let's see the main text of these lessons, which is page number 13. So listen. A proverb says health is wealth. প্রবাদে আছে স্বাস্থ্যই সম্পদ. And our topic name is also health is wealth. স্বাস্থ্যই সম্পদ. To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. স্বাস্থ্যবান থাকা মানে হচ্ছে রোগ এবং উদ্বিগ্ন থেকে মুক্ত. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. সুস্বাস্থ্য মানে দেহের সব অঙ্গগুলো ঠিকঠাকভাবে যথাযথভাবে কাজ করা. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. এটা শরীর এবং মন দুটাই ভালো থাকা বা ভালো অনুভব করাকে বোঝায়. People in good health are active, cheerful and happy. সুস্বাস্থ্য সম্পন্ন মানুষ কর্মঠ, উৎফুল্ল এবং সুখী. If you are healthy, তুমি যদি স্বাস্থ্যবান হও, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. তুমি যদি স্বাস্থ্যবান হও তাহলে তুমি সুখী থাকতে পারবে এবং সমাজের অন্যদেরকেও ভালো রাখতে পারবে. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. সুস্বাস্থ্যবান থাকতে হলে আমাদেরকে হাইজিন বা স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলতে হবে. The rules and practice of keeping good health are called hygiene. তাহলে সুস্বাস্থ্য প্র্যাকটিস করা বা বজায় রাখার নিয়ম কানুনটাই হচ্ছে স্বাস্থ্যবিধি. We must practice the rules of hygiene. আমাদেরকে স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলা উচিত. Proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medicare are essential for good health. তাহলে সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য কি কি প্রয়োজন? যথাযথ খাবার এবং পুষ্টিবিধান, শারীরিক ব্যায়াম, রেস্ট মানে আরামেরও কিন্তু প্রয়োজন আছে, ঘুম এবং আরাম, ক্লিনলিনেস পরিচ্ছন্নতা এবং প্রপার মেডিকেয়ার মানে চিকিৎসা, যথাযথ চিকিৎসা প্রয়োজন. তাহলে সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য যেসব বিধিবিধান রয়েছে, হাইজিন নিয়ম, হাইজিন রুলস, এগুলো মেনটেন করতে হবে. Some important rules of good personal health are also included in these lessons, that are balanced diet. To keep your balanced diet, you have to take proper food and personal hygiene. You should wash your hands before eating, bath regularly, brush your teeth, and do not let your nails grow long. Wash your feet and hands before going to bed. That's the personal hygiene. And cleaning household, taking clean food and water, taking regular exercise, taking regular sleep and rest are also needed for your good health. And there are some questions related to the text. Let's see the questions, which is your homework. Number 1 question, what do you mean by hygiene? What do you mean by hygiene? Number 2 question, what are essential for good health? Number 3, what do we mean by balanced diet? And number 4, what are the rules of personal hygiene? So, these 4 questions included in your lessons which are related to the text. And I know if you read the text carefully, you can answer all the questions which are included in your text. And I will tell you about the first question. What do you mean by hygiene? In our text, we already learned about the rules of hygiene. The rules and practice of keeping good health are called as hygiene. What are essential for good health? In the last lines of this text, you read that proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medicare are essential for good health. What do you mean by balanced diet? The rules of taking proper food and food chart are known as the balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water in it. The rules of taking proper food in proper time are called as balanced diet. Rules of personal hygiene, you know, sometimes before I told you about personal hygiene, and there are included wash your hands, bath regularly, brush your teeth, and do not let your nails too long, cut them regularly, wash your feet and hands before going to bed, and that's the personal hygiene. I hope you note the questions and you will try to write down these questions answers by yourself. Okay, until our next class, I hope you will don't go out, you won't go out from your house and you will practice your lessons in your home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.